Good morning, student of class 3. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 2, which is Introduction to Windows. So let's start. Before going to question answer section, we take a quick review of this chapter for better understanding the question answer. Here all of you can see the content page of this chapter. I already have discussed about all the 10 topics on this chapter, okay, from this chapter. So move on to next. Here you can see the review page of this chapter. First is operating system is a link between the user and the external device or program. That means the operating system acts like a link between the user एंड द एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस और प्रोग्राम. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक लिंक की तरह काम करता है एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस, जितना भी एक्सटर्नल डिवाइसेस है उसके बीच में, और प्रोग्राम्स जो हम लोग प्रोग्राम कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल करके रखते हैं उसमें सब एक लिंक के ज़रिए काम करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर मैनेजमेंट एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ इट्स सोर्स. ओके, दैट मीन्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है, सब जो काम होता है सबको मैनेजमेंट करता है और जो रिसोर्स होता है उसको भी कोऑर्डिनेट करता है. कौन करता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज विंडोज़ इज़ ए यूज़र फ्रेंडली GUI बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स वी ऑल नो दैट GUI बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मीन्स द ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस बेस्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. दैट मीन्स क्लिकिंग एंड पॉइंटिंग. ओके, सो विंडोज़ इज़ ए यूज़र फ्रेंडली. वी कैन ईजिली use the Windows based operating system. Okay, next is desktop is an opening screen in Windows. When we switch on the computer we will see a background in our desktop. Okay, which is called desktop. Okay, desktop is a opening screen in the Windows. जब भी हम लोग ओपन करेंगे कंप्यूटर को तब हम लोगों को सामने जो स्क्रीन दिखाई देगा उसको हम लोग डेस्कटॉप बोलते हैं. द पिक्चर ऑन द डेस्कटॉप इज़ कॉल्ड द डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड. ओके, द जो पिक्चर हम लोगों को वहाँ पे दिखता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? डेस्कटॉप बैकग्राउंड बोलते हैं. आइकॉन्स आर द स्मॉल पिक्चर दैट रिप्रेजेंट प्रोग्राम स्टोर ऑन द कंप्यूटर. दैट मीन्स each and every program which have a shortcut key in our desktop, on our desktop, which is called a icon. Okay, icon are the small picture that represent a program stored in a computer. Okay, next is it is very important to start and shut down the computer in right way. We all know that it is very important to start and shut down. हम लोगों को ठीक तरह से कंप्यूटर को शट डाउन और स्टार्ट करना आना चाहिए. ओके, next is many files do not work in safe mode. We all know that safe mode does not work properly. Many files do not work in the safe mode. Okay, next is taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen. It has a Windows or a start icon on the left side and date and time on the right side. Okay, we all know the taskbar is located on the bottom of the desktop. Okay, and the taskbar has a Windows or start button icons on the left side and the date and time display on the right side. Okay, next is various basic operation performed on a desktop. हम लोग बहुत सारा ऑपरेशन करते हैं, बहुत सारा काम करते हैं डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर. क्या वो क्या क्या है? नंबर वन इज सिलेक्टिंग डिसिलेक्टिंग आइकॉन्स. ओके, सिलेक्टिंग एडजेसेंट आइकॉन, sorting icon, arranging icon, etc., changing screen saver, viewing icons. These are the various basic operation performed on a desktop. Next is there are three power modes of Windows 10. There are three power modes of Windows 10. Number one is sleep. Sleep means saving mode. Okay, power saving mode. नेक्स्ट इज शट डाउन. दैट मीन्स द कम्प्लीटली क्लोजिंग द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ओके, जब हम लोग बंद कर देते हैं उसको शट डाउन बोला जाता है. Next is restart. This shut downs the computer for a few minutes and then turns it on again. That means when we in restart process the computer will shut down for a few minutes and then turns it on again. एक बार बंद हो जाएगा उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली दोबारा से ऑन हो जाएगा. इसको कहते हैं रिस्टार्ट. नेक्स्ट इज सेफ मोड इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग विद द सॉफ्टवेयर. जब भी कोई सॉफ्टवेयर में प्रॉब्लम होगा तो हम लोग सेफ मोड यूज़ करेंगे. नॉर्मल मोड इज़ द कॉमन मोड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. हम लोग जब भी कंप्यूटर ऑन करेंगे तब जो बेसिक मोड ऑन होता है, नॉर्मल मोड ऑन होता है, उसी में हम लोग सब कुछ काम करते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द क्विक रिव्यू ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो नाउ डिस्कस अबाउट द क्वेश्चन आंसर of your book, exercise question answer of your book. Okay, so number one is fill in the blanks. So number one is changing the size of the icon is done by clicking size option. Okay, when we want to change our icon size, we need to click right click on the desktop and then click the size option. Okay, so number one is size. Next is the picture on the desktop is called, we all know that desktop background. The picture on the desktop is called desktop background. Next is number 3, the dash are the small picture that represent on the program stored on a computer. We all know that icons are the small picture that represent program stored on the computer. Next is number 4, the operating system is a link between, we all know that operating system is a link between the user and the external hardwares and devices or programs. Okay, number 5 is desktop is an opening screen in the Windows. So number 5 is desktop. These are the fill in the blanks from your book. Okay, next is true false. That means write true T और false for if each statement. that means जो क्वेश्चन जो स्टेटमेंट गलत होगा उसमें false लिखेंगे, जो स्टेटमेंट सही होगा उसमें हम लोग T लिखेंगे. Windows is not a user friendly software. This statement is incorrect because the Windows based operating system are always user friendly operating system. So that's why we write here false. Okay, next is the taskbar display the date and time. Yes, the taskbar display the date or time on the right side. Okay, next is the start menu shows a list of the programs you can see. Yes, the taskbar start menu shows a list of programs you can we can easily use. Okay, so this statement is correct, so that's why we write here true. Next is all the files work in a safe mode. No, this is wrong. All the file does not work in a safe mode. Next is to restart a computer means putting it power saving mode. It is false. Okay, this statement is incorrect, so write here false. These are the two false of this chapter. So move on to next question answer. Answer the following question. Number 1 question is what is operating system, explain with an example. So operating system is also a program or software. It helps a computer to run other programs on it. It is the basic software without which a computer will not be able to work at all. Okay, this is the main concept of operating system. And any computer can work without games, videos, pictures and other applications, but cannot run without an operating system. There are different example of operating system: Windows based operating system, Linux, Unix, Apple iOS. These are the example of operating system. Next is the two function of operating system. I already have discussed in my previous video about this topic. Okay, operating system does all the work which is important and maintain the computer and its connected devices. Disk drive is responsible for management and coordination of resources such as CPU and printer. Okay, these are the functions of operating system. Next is what do you understand by GUI. We all know that GUI means graphical user interface. Okay, graphics based operating system. Okay, next is briefly discuss define the following terms related the computer. Number 1 is desktop. We all know what is desktop. Icons, taskbar, putting a computer on a sleep mode. Okay, desktop means desktop is the opening screen of the Windows. Okay, next is icon are the small pictures that represent the installed program on the computer. Taskbar, we all know that taskbar is located on the bottom of the desktop. Next is putting a computer on the sleep mode. It is a power saving mode state when the click the computer stays on but the desktop shut down. Okay, all work automatically saved in the memory. So these are the question of your book, from your book. Here you can see some inside question are there. I have already provided the all the inside question. Okay, you need to download this question answer from YouTube. The total number of inside question is 15. Okay, the total number of inside question is 15 and the exercise question. You need to write all the exercise question on your computer copy. The computer copy carries marks, okay? So you need, all of you need to write this question answer on your computer copy and also learn the question answer, okay? I hope that you have already written and learned the first chapter question answer. Similarly, you also have to learn and written the second chapter question answer from the PDF which I will provide it to you, okay? So today I am ending the discussion here. I will start a new chapter in my next video. So till then, take care, goodbye, thank you.